Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Algebra with Mr. Chavez. So today we're going to talk about the zero exponent. Before we get into that, let's go ahead and do these next few problems. So we have 3 squared divided by 3 squared. As we know, first thing to do is let's go ahead and expand it. So my base is 3, so 3 times 3 over 3 times 3. And we know anything divided by itself is equal to 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we know our answer is 1. Now, let's go ahead and try another one. But this time, let's use the quotient of a power. So we have x to the power 3 over x to the power 3. Remember, when the bases are the same, we could subtract the exponents when we're dividing. So it'll be x to the power 3 minus 3, which that equals x to the power 0. Now we can go ahead and get into the rule. Whenever you have a power of 0 or an exponent of 0, that's going to give us 1. As we saw at the top, the bases are the same and our powers are the same. We expanded it and we saw that anything divided by itself is 1, which gives us 1. Which means anything to the power of 0 gives us 1. Now let's go ahead and try a few problems. Alright. Well, as we see at the beginning, we have this big old problem right here. We have 5a to the power of 6 times b to the power of 4 times c to the power of 8 over a to the power of 5, b to the power of 4 times c to the power of 1. And all this is to the power of 0. Well, if you remember the zero exponent, any base to the power of 0 is 1. And since all this is the base of 0, that means all of this is equal to 1. Let's go ahead and try another problem. So we have a to the power of 6 times b to the power of 0 times c to the power of 8 over a to the power of 4 times c to the power of 6. Off the bat, first thing I would do is take care of my power to the 0. Well, a to the power of 6, b to the power of 0 is 1, c to the power of 8 over a to the power of 4 and c to the power of 6. All right, let's go ahead and separate them by like base. So we have a to the power of 6 over a to the power of 4 times 1 times c to the power of 8 and c to the power of 6. All right. Now, since this is division, what we're going to do is the quotient of a power, which is when they're like bases, we could subtract the exponents. So a to the power of 6 minus 4. Anything times 1 stays the same. So we have 1 c to the power of 8 minus 6. And to finish it off, we have a 6 minus 4 is 2 times 1 stays the same. And then we have c, 8 minus 6 is 2. So this is how you use the zero exponent. If you have any questions, please let me know.